Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, we will cover a more topic on HTML. Okay, in previous video we have covered some basic topic on HTML, but in this video we have covered more advanced topic on HTML. Okay, so great. Coming to our Visual Studio screen. Uh, okay, great. Okay, so today we have start with list tag in HTML. Okay, so what is a list tag? List tag is nothing but if you want to display a group of items or a group of related item on our web page, so we use list. Basically, in HTML there are two. Mostly we have used two types of list: order list and unordered list. Okay, so what is the order list and what is the unordered list? So order list, it shows the items in numbered format. Okay, numbered format like one, two, three, four, sequence format, right? But in a case of unordered list, it shows the list item with a bulleted points. Okay, okay, I will give an code example so you will get the list point. Okay, so what is the list and what is the order list and what is the unordered list? Okay, coming, so we have created a second.html file, or we can say that we have created order, or we can create a list.html, list.html. Okay, so we have created our HTML structure. Okay, document structure. So how we create a list? Basically, suppose if you want to create order list, want to create order list. Okay, so how can we create order list? It's just simply using OL tag. Okay, right? And inside OL tag, because we have created some list items, right? Group of related list items. So for that, we have used li, right? Li. Great. So suppose we have mentioned some coding languages. We have to created a list of programming languages. Okay. I have created a CSS, then JavaScript. Okay. Great. So what is the output of order list? I'm already said you, right? Order list, it display or it shows the item in numbered format. So we'll see. Okay, here you can see, right? It shows the list item in numbered format like sequence format, one, two, three, right? Suppose if you are written another programming language like Python, and we see the output. So, right, it take sequence like one, two, three, four. So this is the order list, and in order list, the sequence is very important. Okay, remember this point. Okay, so this is the order list, and great. So next is unordered list. Okay, how to create unordered list? Just simply using UL tag for creating unordered list. Okay, just copy this line and paste. Okay. You can mention any list. Okay, I have just copy this list of languages from OL tag. Okay, but you can list any. It's totally depend upon you, no matter. Okay, so compare this. Okay, so we have created first order list, so it shows in numbered format, and here the list of items shows with bullet points. So this is a unordered list. Great. So till we have covered ordered list, unordered list, and what is list. Okay, I think you have got idea, right? What is the list? Okay, good. Coming to our next topic is tables in HTML. So what is a tables? Suppose you have seen Excel, right? Excel, spreadsheet, Excel sheet. So in Excel, we have stored the data in tabular format, like rows and column format, right? So suppose in similar way, suppose if you want to create data in tabular format on our web page. So in that case, we have used table tag there. Okay. So we have, I will show you through code. Okay, so how to create a tables, what are the tr tag in tables, what are the td tags, okay, all these things. Okay, so we have created table.html. Okay, so just boilerplate. Okay, so this this is our table. Okay, okay, so how to create a table? Just simple using table tag. Okay, great. So just using table tag, we can create the table? No. For creating table, you need more attributes with a table tag. Okay. So what are that tags like tr tag? You need tr tag, td tag. Okay. Th tags. So I will explain you one by one. Okay. So what is a tr tag? Tr tag means it is a table row. Suppose in table you have a one row. Suppose you have to create a one row, so you use tr tag. Okay, so how to create a tr? Just simply write tr, and in tr you have written name. Okay, name. Okay, so the second tr you have to write age, and then third tr you have to return address. And this. Great. So, what is the output of this tr tag or table tag? You can. Okay, my live server is not started yet. Okay, I started. Yeah. Okay. So this is our tr. Okay, but it's not look like a table, right? It's just looking like a row, right? So for that, for looking like a table, we need border, right? So great. So first understand tr tag. Okay, you understand tr, right? So we have created a tr, but we need some data, right? So for that we use td tag. So create another tr, and inside the tr we have td name John, then age is 50, then address is Mumbai. Okay. So you can see, right, name, age, and address. But it's not still it's not look like table, right? So for that we need we we want to give an border to table. Then only it will look like a table. So how can we give a border? So just write table border equal to 1 pixel solid, sorry, 1 pixel solid black. Right? So now it's look like a table structure, right? Great, great. Okay, great. So till we have covered order list, unorder list, what is a table, right? To understand these things, right? Okay, I will give you we have practice one small exercise. You need to you need to create a table with a with with a person details like name, age, address, and favorite color. Okay, so these things we have used. So just okay. So first we have created tr. So in tr we have given a table headings. Okay. So what is table heading? So name, great, name, great, age, No, we take a city. Okay, name, age, city, and color, favorite color, favorite color. Okay, great. So we have created a heading, correct? Name, age, city, and favorite color. Now we have created a three-person with their data. Okay. So how can we create it? TR, great. So we need to create another TR, another TR. Great. So for TR we have give a table data. So what is the name? Name is John. Then age is 30. Okay, great. Then city is Jaipur. Jaipur. Great. And favorite color is red. Great. Great. So the another person is Sham. Sham. Oh no, not Sham. Okay, Sham. So name is Sham. Age. What is age? Age is 29. Then then city is Pune. Great. Then the favorite color is green. Okay. So the last person name is Mayur. Okay. Mayur. I can say that. Then age is it's his age is 40. Okay. And he's from Nagpur. Nagpur. And his favorite color is black. His black level. Okay. Black. Great. So we have successfully created one table with a three-person with their details like name, age, city. Great. Now it's look like a table. Great. Now you understand what is a table. Great. So coming to our next topic, uh, HTML forms. Okay. HTML forms is the most important part in HTML. Okay. First of all, and if and what is the use of HTML forms? So it is used to collect the user, it is used to collect data from users, or it can be any kind of data. Okay. It can be text data, it can be email, it can be address. Okay. So it's depend upon input. Okay. And in HTML form, there are different types of input types. Okay. So we will see with an example and with an code part. Okay. So created one and HTML. Okay, and just created boiler form type. Okay, so how to create a form in our web page? Okay, it's just simply write a form. Okay, okay. So inside a form, there are some input tag, right? Why we need input tag? Because the aim of form is to take a input from user, right? So for that we need input tag. So input, suppose if you want to input a text from users, so you use input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. Great. I will show you the output of this code. Okay. Are you able to see this input text? It's the input text box. Okay. Just great, great. And already have mentioned, right? there are different types of input types like text, email, date of birth. I will show you. Uh, okay, these are the different types of input type like button, checkbox, colors, date time, email, file, hidden, image, month, number. Okay, okay. So I will explain all the input type one by one. Okay, I will explain for you only. I will explain all the input type one by one. Okay, so great. So before that, we have I will explain what is a label. Label is nothing but it's just it it gives a brief description about our input field, right? Suppose if we created our input field of password, so label describe that it is a password field. Just for this. Great. So now we have created some input different types of input field. Okay. So first we have created text input field. Before that we have created label, great, label for username. Okay, username, great, and we have mentioned user name. Okay, great, and then we have use input type equal to input 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 type equal to text. Okay, great. So we will get an one text box. Okay, username. This is a text box. Great. So now in similar way we have I will explain you another input type. Okay, so another is the email. So how we use? So first we are at label for email. Okay, email. Great. So input type equal to email, right? Input you can see the last right? Input email. Great. Okay. So this is a email type, right? User name email. Great, great. Now then there are different types of input type, right? So I will explain you one by one. So email tag, it will take the email address of an user. It will, if you miss the at the rate symbol from email, so it will give an error. Okay, great. Then label equal to, okay, don't need label now. We are getting the things right. Then another input type is input type is uh, use a button. Okay, so it's a submit. No, it's a okay. If you want to create a simple button, so you can create like this. Okay, great. Okay. This is username, this is email, and this is submit button. Okay, but if you want to create a submit button, specifically submit button, so you have to mention input type equal to submit. Okay, don't mention button. If you want to submit some data, form data, so you have to mention submit there. Okay, submit. Great. Okay, great. Submit. Then another input type is we have check for input checkbox. So what is input checkbox? It is a it gives a multiple selection. Okay, it gives a multiple selection. Means suppose if we use a checkbox, so we have a multiple selections options. Okay, we can select a multiple options. Great. So how can we select simple like suppose label equal to gender, not gender, okay, languages, language. Great. Okay. So great languages. And we can mention our label. Okay. So our first checkbox for Marathi, Marathi, great. M-A-R-T-H, Marathi, great. Then in similar way, we have created another input checkbox, and its name is Hindi. Hindi. Okay. Then okay. Okay. So it's a checkbox. We can select more than one options. Okay. It's just you can see just boxes, right? You are not seeing anything. So why it's you are not seeing anything? Because you are not written anything. So if you are written your T here and Hindi here. Okay. So now how many languages do you know? Do you know Marathi? So user select yes. And do you know Hindi? Yes. Right? So suppose whenever you have used more than one option, so you can use checkbox. Suppose if you want to choose only one option out of them, right? So in that case you use radio button. So I will give an example. Suppose label equal to gender. Okay, so gender. Okay. Then input type equal to radio button. Okay, so here is a radio button. Okay, simply write input radio. Okay, input type equal to radio buttons. Okay, then we have written name. So we have written name, gender, and ID is male. Okay, okay. Then uh, then gender equal to female. Female. Okay, female. Correct. Okay. So user either be a male or either be a female, right? So just we can use only one option from multiple options. Means it gives only uh, it gives only a single options. Okay, single options. Like in case of checkbox, it gives a it provides to choose a multiple options, right? Great. So we understand the input types, right? There are different types also. Great. So now input equal to type, not text. Already we have covered text, right? So now we covered date. Okay. So when we use input type equal to date, it will show date format, right? Great. But it's not look like a form, right? It's look like in same line. So how to break the line? It's just simple using BR tag. Use BR to break the line. Great. Mm. Okay. Now you can see username email. Okay. Great. Great. Then there are different types of input type like input, input, color, right? So what is it will give an box. You can using that box you can choose any color. Okay, you can choose the color. Great, great. So these are the input type, right? So coming to our topics. So still we have covered list, tables, what are the forms, what are the text input, what are the different types of input types. Okay. Okay, and we have also covered HTML buttons, submit buttons, radio buttons, checkboxes, right? So we have covered till here. Now we have covered semantic element in HTML. Okay, so what is a semantic element first of all? A semantic, it is a simple, it provide a meaning to user and browser. Okay, first understand. It provide semantic element provides the meanings to user as well as browsers. Okay. Uh, okay. I will give an example. When I say header tag. Okay. So when you heard header tag, so you can imagine that this is a header, right? So it will give meaning to user as well as browser. So that type of tag we can call as a semantic tag. Okay. So and why it's matter? Uh, Suppose if we use semantic tags, so it will improve our search engine optimization. Okay, for our browsers, for our websites. So it is very helpful to use a semantic tag in your web page. So what are the different types of semantic tags? Like header tag, a footer tag, a section tag, article tag, nav tag. So what is a header tag? It is used to create a header. Footer tag, it is used to create a footer. Section tag, suppose if you want to create a section inside your web page, so you use section. Suppose if you want to create some articles, blogs, so use article tag. Suppose if you want to create a nav bar, so for that you use nav bar. Okay, so give more meaningful. Okay, so this is a semantic tag. Great. Now coming to iframe tag in HTML. So what is an iframe tag? So basically, it is used for, or we have used for embedding another website, another video into our web page. Okay, or we can embed it using iframe. Okay, we can embed video, we can embed maps, we can embed another YouTube channel inside our web page. Okay, using iframe. So I will show you how to. Okay, I will show you how to embed YouTube video in our web page using HTML tag. Okay, so this is our HTML, right? Forms, forms.html, right? This, okay, it's look like it's a simple form, username, email ID. Okay, so in this web page, I have embedded my YouTube video. Okay, I will show you how to embed a YouTube video in a web page. Okay, so go for that. You have to go to youtube.com. Okay, okay, great. Then click on view channel. Okay, whenever you click on view channel, you can see the videos of your channels. Suppose if you want to embed this video, learn web development fast, into our web page. So how you can embed? Just click on three dots, click on share options, and there's a one option embed. Okay, when you click on embed, you can see iframe tag, right? So for embedding a video into your web page, you use iframe tag. Just copy this iframe and come to your forms.html and and then paste the iframe tag. Okay, I will explain you what is that. This is the iframe tag, right? And this is a width of our video, height of your video, and this is the path of your YouTube channel. Okay, and this is the title, and these are the attributes of iframe. Just and when you see it's now it's visible. Okay, great. We have successfully embedded our YouTube channel in our website, right? Great, great. Suppose if you want to embed a map into your web page, so how can you do? Just go to Google, okay, to Google and maps, Google.com. Okay. And suppose if you want to embed a location of Mumbai or Pune. Suppose if you want to, okay, so how can you embed? Just click on share option. There is a embed app option, right? Just copy the HTML iframe tag and came here, char br and paste it. And ta-da! We have successfully embedded the map into our web page. Great. So in this way, we can embed the things. Okay, we can embed video. We can embed different websites in our web page also. So in this way, we can embed. Great. So so now it remain only one topic, and this is the last topic of our today's video. Okay. So difference between div tag and span tag. Okay. So and div tag is a block level element. Okay, and span tag is a inline element. So what is a block level element and what is the inline element? Okay, I will show you what is a block level element and what is the inline element. Okay, we have created one. Uh, mm, okay, great, great. We have not created HTML file. Okay, okay, okay. We have no. Okay, so for div and stand dot HTML. Okay, and created simple. Okay, so first we understand what is a div tag. Okay, so div tag, it takes, first of all, it's a block level element, block level element. Okay, it's a block level element, and second, it takes entire width and entire width of, and it takes full width of web page. Okay, great. And it's a block level element. It takes a full width of web page. So great. So what is a div element? So paragraph is a div element. Okay, I will show you something. This is a this is block level element. Great. Okay, when you run this code, take a time. Okay, okay. Oh, or you need to comment this line of code. Great. Okay, so this is a paragraph. Okay, but our element is only, the width of our element is this much. Okay, but the remaining width of web page are still remain, but it takes full width. Why it takes full width? Because it is a block level element. And how you can find it is a block level element or inline element? Just go to the element just go to the web page, and right click on inspect and just click on select an element options, and when you click on our paragraph element, it will select all, right? It will select all line, right? So this is a block level element. Okay, this is a block level element. You can see display bar. Great, great. So this is a block level element, and inline. So in span is a inline element. It only take the width as much the element is needed. Okay, great, great. Okay, and div element. Uh, div element always start from new line, whereas a span element, if the width is remain, so they can start another element from that space. So that's the things. Okay, great. We have covered all the topics, today's topics. Okay, list. What are the list? What are the different types of list? What is the tables? What are the forms? What are the buttons? What are the input types? What is the semantic element? What is the iframe tag? How to embed a video? How to map? How to embed a map in our web page? So we have covered all these topics, and if you like this video, so please like, subscribe my channel, and mm, if you have faced any difficulty, so please comment me. I try to solve your query, okay, as soon as possible. And thanks for watching my video, and bye bye.